All right, this is room 5227. It is a standard inside room on the Queen Mary 2. We have this set up in the twin configuration because we feel that it gives us the illusion of more space by having that space in between the two beds. And also, it's a little better at night if you're walking around, like if you have to get up, use the restroom, you're not bouncing off the walls literally trying to get back into the bed. We just find this a much more comfortable situation. You do have a sitting area here with a chair and a table. The table can be raised or lowered on your preference. We have it raised because we actually have had them bring breakfast to us a couple times this week. So we use this chair combined with the desk chair for a nice little breakfast setup. Now for outlets, you do have 2 UK outlets and 2 US outlets. And one thing that I want to mention, and sorry for our stuff around, we don't usually show you a room with all our stuff around, but we got a late start on it this week because I was getting over a cold and I wanted you to be able to understand me when I spoke instead of sounding like I was in a tunnel. So here we are, halfway through the week. Actually, we have kept this pretty tidy considering that it's halfway through the week. One of the things that I want to point out is if you have 2 CPAPs like we do, in order for your steward to be able to hook up both CPAPs, you're going to need 2 adapters, 2 UK adapters. So make sure if you're coming on the Queen Mary and you've got 2 CPAPs you need to hook up, that you've got 2 UK adapters like this. Because they're going to need those to hook up both CPAPs. You are going to lose the light of one light. As you can see here, on my side, the light is off because that light socket is now powering my CPAP. And then on this side, Kathy has a power strip that's actually allowing the light and her CPAP to be powered at the same time. But you will need 2 UK adapters to make that happen. You can use one of these kind of adapters that you can adjust to different countries by using the slideys as well, but you'll need 2 of them. Just keep that in mind that you will need 2 of those. As for the rest of the room, it's cute, it's cozy. We really like the inside rooms on the Queen Mary. It's not a lot of fancy fluff or anything. It's just your basic room. It's comfy, it's cozy. We sleep really, really well in these rooms. They're quiet, they're dark. You do get a little bit of light that comes in at night underneath that door gap. And what we've been doing is just throwing something there at the bottom of the door if it seems like it's too much at the time. You do have 2 closets. You have a safe. You have a hot water maker for tea. And then they have various teas and things in there. Wine glasses, things that you might need. And you get some drawers down here, 4 drawers. We usually split 2 each on those. The closets are very well sized for this week trip. You have space up at the top, and then you have hanging space, and then you have space at the bottom that you can put suitcases, which we do. And then on this side, you have another closet. And this one also has space at the bottom for a suitcase or for long hanging clothes. And there's room at the top as well on this one. On the back of the door, you have your muster information. It tells you everything you need to know about where you need to go in an emergency. And then over on this side, we have the restroom. And in the bathroom, it's your standard cruise bathroom. Not a lot of, I mean, it's a bathroom, people. Like, I don't know, there's not really a way to, like, really get excited about a bathroom. I'm sure if it was, like, a suite bathroom or something with dual sinks, I would be in here, like, singing its praises. But this is functional. It does the job. It's nice and clean. It does have a curtain instead of a shower door. But I have to say, this curtain does not touch your butt when you get in your shower, which is one of the things that's always my pet peeve. And this one has not at all. This is actually a rather large shower, space-wise, compared to some of the ones we've been in, like the tube. I'll just call it the tube shower. The tube shower makes me crazy when the ones where you're like in the round thing and you close the doors. There's no room to move in those, but this is nice. This, I would say, is the same size as if you have a single stall shower at your house. This is about the same size, or maybe even a little bit bigger, and it works really well. So that's it. Not much else to show. If there's something I'm missing, let me know. Yeah, we are really enjoying this room. If this was a ocean view room, I think we've got a video out on an ocean view room where the two nightstands are above. Would not have that cabinet area, but it would have a window above there. Okay, so there you have it. Room 5227 on the Queen Mary 2 in the twin configuration, which we really like.